So guys, what do you think we're going to be doing today with this and another engine which is sitting inside? Oh dear. Welcome to the man cave. Let the games begin. Well, I'm sure you've guessed, I have removed crankcase bolts so we can get this crankcase door off, because we want to put some oil in this engine, just to make sure everything's got some oil on it and got some lubrication. Now the engine is sat about level, so that's about where she sits. So we want to just oil everything up. You're meant to fill it up with oil through here, but because that hasn't been ran for so long, I wanted to put the oil direct on over the crank and everything, just to make sure everything's got a liberal coating of oil. But what I will do is take this off to make sure we get the level right, because with these old Rustons you've got to fill it till oil is up to there. There you go. Our oil level, can you see? Where are we? Let's get you in a bit. In fact, let's lift you into the trailer with me, look. Yeah. Oh, that's better. Our oil level is now up to this little filler here, look, which is how you know you got the right oil level. I'm just getting oil over all the gears. What's this in here? There's a bit of hair or something. No, that's all right. Got a hair, we need a greyhound. Cool. Right, everything appears to be lubed up. Cool. I fitted the new head gasket and everything else, and there don't appear to be a lot of compression. Now I'm not overly concerned about that at the minute, because I didn't have the piston out, so I didn't want to get that involved. But I've had it with these engines before, and once you turn them over for a bit, the compression come right back around. So we need to get this crankcase door back on, if I can find the hole. Excited about it, so like I was. So we will keep filming the progress on that. It's something very different to what Man Cave normally does. And the eagle-eyed amongst you will notice, yes, there's meant to be a brass butterfly nut on there, brass wing nut, but that's gone. So you're wondering how this is going to work, because I haven't even took this engine off a trailer yet. Alright, come right here. Alright, here's our carburetor. All we've got to do is fill in with petrol when we're ready to go. Put our plug lead on. I ain't got a proper end for that, but for now I'm just going to skin that and put it on that plug. So yeah, we've got oil in her. we know we've got a spark because we done the mag the other week. Carb is tight. Petrol pipe is on the carb, so we need to fill that with petrol and get a belt onto a Petter W1. There we go. Where are we? So I'm afraid it's going to have to be the old-fashioned handle, but I don't like using handles. Hey, we had a fire. Oh, did you see that? We had a fire out the old girl. So let's check our petrol situation. Put a bit more in that carb. Let's open the old choke up half a turn. Hey, look at that! She's gone! Well, was did you see that? Did you see that? She actually burst into life for the first time in decades. Oh! So I've obviously got the timing right. Thing what I don't like about this handle, spring has gone in it. So you have to manually lock that onto the shaft, and I'm worried that's going to slip. And that handle's cutting into my bloody hand. So I need to go and get a glove. Right, I'm back now with a glove on. Let's see if we can get this whole baby to run a bit longer. Come on! Not yet, we're not. Come on. Well, we certainly had a running. I would have ideally liked to have belt ran. Oh, that's a bloody heavy old bugger. Whew. I'm a bit bloody knackered. Let's give her just a quarter bit of choke. Oh, bugger. Now, I'm going to have to find another way, because this handle is dodgy. It don't hold on there. There's no handle on there. So I was cutting in and grabbing onto my glove. So, oh, well, I'm going to stop the video here. Oh, You've seen the old gal run. We know that. That's a very long ass video just to see it run for 15 or 20 seconds. But she did run. So we'll call the video a day. And yes, thank you very much for watching. And we will see you guys next time when I've weighed up how we can turn this over a bit better. Right, bye-bye for now. Ha ha.